Hey guys, I'm Amit Kumar and welcome to this video in which we are going to talk about methods of map. Map class provides us with three versions of constructors to instantiate a map object. The first version accepts no parameter and it creates a new instance of the map class. The second version creates a new instance of the map class and initializes it by copying the entries from the specified map. Here T1 and T2 are data type of keys and values respectively. The third version accepts a record list and it creates a new instance of the map class and populates it with the passed in list of SObject records. The keys are populated with the SObject IDs and the values are the SObjects themselves. Map class provides us with different methods to access and manipulate maps. Clear method removes all the key value mapping from the map. Clone method makes a duplicate copy of the map. containsKey, which accepts a key as parameter, returns true if the map contains a mapping for the specified key. Equals method that accepts another map compares this map with the specified map and returns true if both the maps are equal, otherwise returns false. Get method, which accepts a key, returns the value to which the specified key is mapped or null if the map contains no value for this key. isEmpty method returns true if the map has 0 key value pairs. keySet method returns a set that contains all of the keys in the map. Put accepts two parameter key and value, which associates the specified value with the specified key in the map. putAll method accepts a map and copies all the mappings from the specified map to the original map. putAll method with SObject list as parameter adds the list of SObjects records to a map declared as map ID SObject or map string SObject. Remove method, which accepts a key as parameter, removes the mapping for the specified key from the map if present and returns the corresponding value. Size method returns the number of key value pairs in the map. toString method returns the string representation of the map, and values method returns a list that contains all the values in the map. So it's pretty much of talk, and now it's time to see the things practically. So guys, here we are on our developer console and let's create a program for map method. So guys, here's our first program in which I have created a student's map with integer string as key and value, and I have hard coded the values for this map. I've also created another map over here with name old students, and you can see here I have used the constructor in which I have passed this already created map to this newly created map. So now both these maps will have the same key value pairs. Here I have created a list of account in which I am getting the records from the account object using a SOQL query, and this account list will hold all the account records available in our org. In this second version of Map Constructor, I have passed this record list, and this map is having ID SObject as key value pair, and then onwards I am printing this account list and accounts map both. So now let's see the output. So guys, you can clearly see how it is printing the first map, which is having the name of the students along with the roll number, and how it has created an old students map from an already existing map there. So this is the account list and it's printing all the records in form of a list, and in the second version it's printing them in form of a map where key is the object ID of that certain record. Now let's create another program for map methods. Now guys, here I have created a map with color codes where key are the color names and their values are corresponding color code in hexadecimal number. I have created another map over here known as cloned color codes, which was created by cloning the already existing map using the clone method. Here we are using containsKey method to check whether a certain key is available there or not. Definitely red as a key is not available, so this is going to return false, and this is going to return true as blue is existing as a key. Now we are comparing the two maps, the color codes and cloned color codes map, and as they are same, it's going to print true. We are getting value of a certain key by passing key name in the get method, and it's going to return the value of that key, which is nothing but the color code of blue. Here with the help of isEmpty method, we are checking whether the map is empty or not, and definitely it's going to return false now. In the next two lines, we are printing the keys and the values individually, where keySet method is going to return the set of keys and values method is going to return the list of values. Now let's see the output. So guys, you can clearly see that both the original and the clone color codes are exactly same. For red as a key, containsKey is returning false. For blue, it's returning true. As original and clone maps are same, equals method is returning true over here. Here you can see it's returning correct value for the blue key. isEmpty method is returning false because the map is not empty yet. And keySet method is returning set of keys and values method is returning list of values. Now let's create another program for remaining map methods. So guys, you can see in this program as well, I have created a color code map, and here I am inserting a new key value pair to the map with the help of put method. I have also created another blank map over here named as another code, and now inserting the existing map and all the values of the existing map using the putAll method. So another code dot putAll, and then I pass the existing map here. Now from the another code, I'm removing the key value pair for red by passing in the name of the key as red. And after that, when I will print here, then it will print all the values of the color codes map except for the red. Let's see the output. So you can clearly see the another color code when red was added was having this key value pair of red, but when I removed it, it's not existing there. So that marks the end of this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.